fight back. For our new show, okay? Now, last but not least, right after the show, please do not just rush off. We will have our operation guys to guide you, to help you to go out of this amphitheater accordingly. Alright? Okay, now with that said, are you all ready for the show? Most endangered habitat on Earth. It has more than 50% of the world's plant and animal species. Now my name is Sunny and I am going to bring you all to explore the rainforest from all around the world. First plant trees like a monkey. Here for your answer we have our coatimundi. Now coatimundi can be found in South America and they are closely related to the raccoons. Now as he's going across the fight, I'm sure you notice his tail swinging from left to right, because they use that tail to balance when they climb trees and branches. Now if you look closely also, that snout, it is exactly like the elephant's trunk. They can move in all directions to sniff for their food. Well, they have very good sense of smell, and small mammals such as mice and rats, they even feed on fruits and bird eggs too. And for your information, in the USA, some of you may have seen it in that same show called Madagascar. I'm sure you remember the country Madagascar. And they like to go like this. I like to move it. I like to move it. There you go, that is our ring-tailed lemur. Now what you see out there is not King Julian, okay? Now, ring-tailed lemurs, they are very sociable animals. When they move on the ground, they would have their tail hung up in the air to make sure the whole group stays in place. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Not forgetting, we like to wish all of you a happy and prosperous New Year! How agile they are, and that is how they are using that burst to run away from their predators, okay? What we are doing today is to try to get them to go up on the stump. Yeah, they are still under training, very new to the show. Alright, now watch this, okay? This is what we call a preparation for their sting fight. What they would do is they would rub their tail against their sand glands on their wings, just like that. There you go. After rubbing their tail against the sand glands on their wrist, and they would swing and wave their tail against the other male. Now that's how they fight. Eventually, one of the male will back off and run away. There you go. That is a very good example of what they would do to prepare for a sting fight. Alright? One more time. There you go. Okay, now everybody say bye-bye baby, bye-bye spy. Our Asian small-clawed otter, the smallest species of otters in the world. There you go. Now Asian small-clawed otters can be found in Asia. Now you can even find them right here in Singapore. Now if you're lucky enough, maybe somewhere in the Singapore River you might have seen them, maybe a family of them, okay? Now if you notice that upper coat, very dark in color, so they are actually coated with oil to keep them waterproof. Now they have very good eyesight both in and out of the water. This is Mia and Stallone, by the way. I see. Very easy for them to swim because they got wet feet. And the coloration on the lower part of the body is slightly lighter, right? But they are actually slightly thicker to keep them warm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, they dive. Yeah, they would dive there. There, they dive.
Nicely done.
There. Oh, sorry. Inside the water, they're
Left alone. It's going to be found in 2 continents. One of them is in Asia. Okay? You can even find them right here in Singapore. Maybe on the east side or even in the Changi area. If you're lucky enough, you can see them flying above you. Now as it flies across, walk and listen closely how sweet and how silent they are. But as it flies across, notice that cups over the bill. Now that cups, the larger they are, the more attractive they would be. Now usually the male are slightly larger than the female. There you go. We're going to give you one more flight. Two more flights before we show you how agile they can be. Okay? Watch closely. There you go. One last one. Come on, Chica. This is Chica, by the way. Yeah. Alright, now what I'm going to repeat is a grip. So what's going to happen is that the toes is them high up into the air. Alright, now Chica. Hey, where are you going? Chica, where? Chica. Over here, Chica. Yeah. Okay, now Chica, ready? Are you all ready? On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now we're going to do it again. Okay, but this time, if he doesn't catch, you all can, okay, with your mouth. Ready? On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Isn't that fantastic? The flying insects on the go. Alright? Okay. You can go now. Your picnic 5 minutes of baby over. Everybody say bye bye, Chica. Thank you. Theo here is our ball python. The ball pythons can be found in Africa, and the reason why they are called ball pythons is because when they are scared, they would coil into the shape of a ball, right? Now they are also known as the royal pythons because in ancient days, Queen Cleopatra uses them on her neck or even her wrist as an accessory. How cool is that, right? Okay. Now, many people have this misconception that snakes are wet and slimy because of that glossy shine on their skin. Well, they are not, okay? They are actually smooth and dry, okay? Now, if you all have a chance to go down to our reptile garden, that's Rectopia, if you see a zookeeper holding on to a snake, approach them. Have a feel of the snake and you will know they are actually smooth and dry. Okay? Alright. Enough with the snake. Let's go to our next friend. Okay? My next friend is very shy. Okay? They are very solitary or better. Alright, let's get serious now. Okay? Now you have seen our lemurs You have seen our coatimundi and you have seen the snake, right? Why? You may ask, right? Well, it's because of us men. Man causes pollution, man causes deforestation, and their friends are losing their homes, as you see. Part of the problem or part of the solution. Let's take it one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's a reason. What if I tell you that tens and thousands of them have been captured or even killed to be used as pets, fashion goods, unproven medicine? Now, many people have failed to realize that when the buying stops, the killing will stop too. So it's time for us to stand up for these animals. It's time for us to bring this rainforest back to life. Well, with that, we have come to the end of Rainforest Fight Man. Well, we hope you enjoyed the show, because you guys have been fantastic. Take care, have a good day at Singapore.
Come out to your road to exit. Now go directly to the exit point, and once you have exited from the amphitheater, please do remember to exit. With that, thank you for your understanding, stay healthy, and take care.